guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you the months of the year. So there is an American Sign Language version which I will be going over with you today and teaching you, and there's also an English signed version that I will just quickly touch on and just kind of tell you the difference between the two and why you may see differences between the months of the year when looking them up on the internet, or even speaking with somebody who's deaf or hard of hearing that uses sign language to communicate. So for the ASL versions, we are going to sign the abbreviations of the months. So like January, Jan, we're going to actually spell them all out. For the English version, you hold your hand up like a calendar, and you know how you flip the pages on a paper calendar? So like JN, like January, or January would be like that. So you can go through all the months of the year like December, like a calendar, so going through all the months. But that's more of the English signed version. Today I'm going to be teaching you the American Sign Language version of the months of the year. So let's start with January. J-A-N. If you don't know the alphabet in sign language, be sure to check out my video that I have on learning the alphabet in sign language. And in that video I do go very into detail as far as like showing you the movements from different angles and things like that, so that way you can see exactly how to form your hand for each letter. All right, so sorry about getting sidetracked. Let me start over again. So January, J-A-N. February, F-E-B. March, M-A-R-C-H. Spell that whole thing out. April, A-P-R, or you can do A-P-R-I-L. Okay, shorter months, you're going to just spell them out. May, M-A-Y. June, J-U-N-E. July, J-U-L-Y. August, A-U-G. September, S-E-P-T. October, O-C-T. November, N-O-V. And December, D-E-C. Okay, so again, J-A-N, F-E-B, M-A-R-C-H, A-P-R-I-L, M-A-Y, J-U-N-E, J-U-L-Y, A-U-G, S-E-P-T, O-C-T, N-O-V, D-E-C. All right, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe, and let me know what other future videos you'd like to see, and I'd love to make those for you guys. Bye.